Yeah, okay. Cool.
It's stored in the tower. It just didn't filter it down and save it.
Okay.
But now, this is the actual raw data. Not everybody gets to see this. But look at the RPM numbers.
Oh wow, yeah, that's pretty crazy actually.
Yeah.
Very small increments, right?
Samples every 2 or 3 RPMs.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, the dyno samples like 100 times a second, so it's pretty insane.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You can sit there all day scrolling through that.
Right. So you got 4 pages of data just to get to 3,000 RPM. I gotta scroll down to page 22 or 23 to find peak power. It's like
460 right
460.
there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I figured it would be.
Yeah.
A lot of 460.
Yeah, pretty consistent.
It needs a touch more fuel, maybe a degree of timing.
Okay.
Probably make 465 when I get done. Fuel pressure's beautiful.
Does he have a ZL1 pump and control module in this car?
Yes. This is a 1LE car, so it already had the ZL1 pump.
Okay.
Put our fuel pump control module in it, and that brought the fuel pressure right up. Tuning it with SCT on this one, because he has a handheld BDX.
Okay.
And this came in bone stock. We did a 415 package. It already has 391s in it. And then I came back for the catch can, and then we added the ported throttle body, and now we came back for a cam package. So it's a nice deal.
Yeah.
Good running car.
It's clean.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car. A lot of car for the money.
Mm-hmm.
You know, put our Moroso wires on it. Coated headers, high flow cats, into the stock exhaust. Still got factory cat back on it with the dual mode. Cold air inductions, got our scoop in it. Washer bottle relocation. You can see the scoop in the lower grill there.
Right there.
That's where the air goes into the air box now. And then we pull the factory washer bottle out. We put this relocation washer bottle back here from Rotofab. We got cold air inductions and Rotofab and a JRE scoop.
Yeah, that seems to be the winning combo there.
So, got a couple more tweaks to do on this. I'm gonna shut this down and reboot it. See if I can't get it to straighten out.
Thanks for watching, guys.